Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday, what is it, January 24th? Finished up my work. I thought I'd go for a ride. It's supposed to rain tomorrow again. It's not a wonderful day today, a little overcast. About 60 degrees. But not too bad. Just a little warmer. Got a jacket and my little really light rain pants that are actually kind of windproof too, so that makes it kind of nice. Not heavy ones. Have the Spyder obviously today. Got to make sure I ride them both on a regular basis just to keep all the batteries going. It usually doesn't. They don't usually sit very long. If the weather gets really cold, it might sit for a week or a few days till it warms back up again. Pretty nice though.